Aloha from Hawaii. Welcome back, you beautiful people, to the wonderful island of Oahu. So summer has started out and Grandma has come out to visit for 2 whole weeks. And we've got a lot planned for those 2 whole weeks. A lot of adventures, and we even might leave this rock for the first time since we arrived. It's kind of like Hotel California over here. Once you're here, you never leave. But we're actually going to leave. But before we do, we're going to just relax for 2 nights at our own home with my mom, and that gives her a chance to get over that jet lag, as well as a chance to see what life is like for us on Oahu, here stationed at Schofield Barracks. Got to pick up Grandma! Woo! Woo! You guys excited? Yeah! There she is! It's Grandma! Again, aloha. Let's get you in here. That was perfect timing. How was your flight?
It was good. No problems. I froze though from Denver to Sacramento.
It was cold.
Where? Oh, look, there he is. How are you? I love you, sweetie.
Let's start the day off by going to White Plains Beach. So since I've been doing a lot more surfing, or trying to surf a lot more, I caved in and bought this spring suit from Rip Curl. Now, this is not normally something you would need or want, but since it was pretty much like 60% off, I couldn't help myself. I'm tired of having wardrobe issues. Yeah. I would like to be able to focus on surfing, and it's hard to find a decent one-piece bathing suit for surfing. And I'm not gonna lie, the sale from Rip Curl made it cheaper than buying it anywhere else. So we're gonna rock it for a while, and that allows me to focus on actually trying to stand up.
You wanna go play?
Bye-bye.
Everyone was having the worst day surfing. They were a little cranky about it.
Nope. Just gonna head that way.
Mom always has it.
Haley's waiting for the pool.
I like the pool more.
The surf was not good at all that day. Kimberly and John and Alex and the rest of the bunch, they were like, bleh, not good at all. What, just not excited. But for me, I was finally catching wave after wave, and wearing that spring suit was kind of like wearing compression socks for your shoulders. I thought it was gonna be restrictive, but no, it was perfect. It was magic. It was meant for surfing, right? And I was so close from just being able to stand up. I don't know what it was, but my brain talking to my feet, I always like skateboard regular, but for some reason, I just kept wanting to put my right foot forward. Well, I can't balance on my right foot. And so I was just juggling back and forth trying to figure out I need to practice my pop-up more. That's really what needs to happen.
Oh, come on, really? I mean, I got on it, I guess. Yeah. Thank you for trying. I know it's hard. My family has all gone. There's no one here except me. Oh no! Sorry, Rita!
Did you get one? What? Guess what? What?
I was out accidentally for an old man. So my board is on the sand.
What? Haley, you want to come swimming with mommy? Okay, dude.
Ever. Didn't catch the one that I had the best chance. I had a guy land right on top of me.
I heard. What happened?
I was kind of like, I didn't even see him riding the wave. So I went, started paddling. Now it's kind of at an angle, so I could like catch it. I turn, see where the wave's at. Here he is on the crest of it. And so as I was catching it, it pulled us two together, and he landed right on top of me. So we were underneath the water for a minute, and I could feel him on my back still. And we were riding. Like a wave caught me.
So after a few hours, we packed up, headed home, cleaned up, and it's time to go to the North Shore. Being stationed at Schofield Barracks, the North Shore is right there for us. Hopped in the car, made it to Haleiwa. Now, John had his heart set on some food trucks, but the rest of us, we had our heart set up for Matsumoto Shave Ice. John and I have never done this place before, mostly because the line is crazy. It's always crazy. crazy for a reason.
We got ice cream going on. Making our thing. So I put vanilla ice cream in there.
Oh, you put vanilla ice cream in there?
They did.
I thought that's if you order it.
Scoops of ice. That's the Motsumoto.
And another thing.
It's rice. It's a rice ball, like really.
Made into like a powder, almost like flour.
Well, not powder, but like it's like you take rice out of the cooker and then you just smash it. And then they just roll up into a ball.
Look at that. Blue pineapple.
Okay. Wow. Yeah, it looks very nice.
Dad's got to put you down, bud.
Can I sit next to that tree?
Come on.
No. Ooh, chicken.
Okay, good. Here we go. Here we go.
Yeah, I told you.
Took
There's
too
some
long.
napkins, guys.
Thank you. All right, let's enjoy it before we get sprinkles on us.
It's about to rain.
All right, Mom.
Yeah,
Let's
I think
see it.
we're
World famous Matsumoto.
Oh, wow. That's a blue pineapple.
Is it good?
Does it taste like pineapple?
I try that strawberry.
Get your
I
face
got
down.
strawberry, too.
It's a bowl of rice.
Really?
Just let it be.
Okay. Don't worry, he won't bother you.
It's just rice. Like in a ball.
It's like gum
Chewy.
without flavor.
It was everything I wanted to be.
So this is really good, people. For Shave Ice, we've been kind of avoiding this. We've lived here for a year and we've never come here. We always go to
Because
some.
of the line.
It's because of the line. It's a Disneyland style line, but everywhere else we've gone to is not as good as this. This
But
is
it goes
really
fast.
good. Yeah, the line went pretty fast, considering
Yeah, it
And-
was super fast.
it was super fast. Are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah, I'm enjoying the ice. Please.
Mahalo for watching, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. We're gonna be heading off to the Haleiwa for a few nights, so if you see me, please say hi. And then we're gonna leave this rock. We're actually gonna get on a plane and leave the island of Oahu. Stay tuned, you guys. We'll see you later.